student. Today we are going to discuss about the radius of atom. So radius of the atom we can define in different orbit. In hydrogen, suppose electron is first orbit, so we can define if it is in second, also we can define using this formula. N means principal quantum number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Here this formula is applicable for only one electron having species. In hydrogen, He plus, Li plus 2, beryllium plus 3, number of electron is 1. So this formula is applicable where 0.529 angstrom is constant. 1 angstrom equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. So we can write like this: 0.529 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Otherwise, decimal point moves on left hand side. 0.0529 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Instead of 10 raised to minus 9, there should be nano. So in the nanometer, radius will be 0.0529 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Otherwise, nanometer and square upon z. We can use this formula for same atom. Hydrogen માટે comparison. Radius in first orbit and second orbit. Same atom માટે z તો same જ હશે. So R1 will be 0.529 in angstrom n1 square upon z. In second orbit 0.529 n2 square upon z. So when we divide first by second, so R1 upon R2 gives 0.529 n1 square upon z and 0.529 n2 square upon z. Here 0.529 cut, z same is cut. So n1 square upon n2 square gives information. If radius of hydrogen in first orbit is known, then we can define so radius in first orbit for hydrogen will be, using this formula, 0.529 n square upon z. First orbit means n equal to 1, z equal to 1 for hydrogen. So you can see square of 1 1. So in first orbit, radius of hydrogen atom is 0.529 angstrom. Now in second orbit, radius of hydrogen, so here should be 2. So square of 4.529 multiplied by 4. So it gives 2.116 in angstrom. એટલે હાઇડ્રોજન માટે સેકન્ડ ઓર્બિટમાં રેડિયસ 2.116 like a third and fourth. We can define we can also compare by using this formula. If first orbit my radius 0.529 angstrom છે, so in third orbit it will be here square of 1, here square of 3. So R3 will be 0.529 into 9. So in third orbit r1 એટલે ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્બિટમાં રેડિયસ એટલે n1 1 થાય ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્બિટ, પછી થર્ડ ઓર્બિટમાં n2 3 થાય, સ્ક્વેર ઓફ 3 9, so r3 here 9 here, so 0.529 into 3 gives answer 1.587. Radius in third orbit in angstrom. 0.529 into 9. Sorry. .761 angstrom. Here from formula we can draw graph. Radius is inversely proportion with z, but similar proportion with the n square. Number of n, principal quantum number increase થાય, so radius gradually increases. n ના square જેટલી radius increase થાય, but radius is inversely proportion with z. એટલે z ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય એટલે ન્યુક્લિયસનું ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ઉપર એટ્રેક્શન વધી જાય, તો રેડિયસ ડિક્રીઝ થાય છે. સો ગ્રાફ લાઈક ધીસ ફોર z, but here is 1/z છે, એટલે z છે 4 હોય 3 હોય 2 હોય 1 હોય, એટલે z ડિક્રીઝ થાય તો 1/z ની વેલ્યુ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય ને, એટલે 1/z ના ડિરેક્ટલી પ્રોપોર્શનમાં અને z ના ઇન્વર્સલી, એટલે 1/z ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય એટલે z છે ડિક્રીઝ થાય, અને z ડિક્રીઝ થાય એટલે r ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય. યસ, એટલે z છે એટલે એટોમિક નંબર જેટલો બિગ એટલે radius small હશે. Now if n is the same, for different atom orbit number same હોય for different atoms, but z will be different હોય ને. Here z1 r1 r2 is equal to 0.592 n square upon z1 n square upon z2, so r1 upon r2 gives z2 upon z1. Using this formula we can define, we can compare radius for different atoms. Now question, in hydrogen atom radius of first orbit is 0.529 angstrom, so radius for Li plus 2 in first orbit will be, here n is common first, so we can use this formula. N is common, r1 upon r2 is equal to z2 upon z1. For hydrogen z1 is 1, radius 0.529 angstrom. For Li plus 2 z2 is 3 and radius will be, so radius in hydrogen is 0.529 angstrom and radius of Li plus 2 is we have to define r1 r2. Atomic number of lithium is 3, atomic number of hydrogen 1, so radius of Li plus 2 will be 0.592 by 3, so 0.1363 angstrom. So we can compare, in hydrogen electron is lying in first orbit. In Li plus 2 there are 3 proton which is also lying in 1s, but here is only 1 proton, here is 3, so attraction of 3 proton on 1 electron is high, so this radius is big 0.529 and this radius is smaller. So radius is inversely proportional with the atomic number. Atomic number high હોય તો એ રેડિયસ સ્મોલ થશે. એટલે નંબર ઓફ પ્રોટોન્સ અહીં 3 છે, અહીં 1 છે, તો બેમાં એક ઇલેક્ટ્રોન છે એ ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્બિટમાં છે, અહીં એક પ્રોટોન ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ઉપર એટ્રેક્શન લેસ, so only 0.529, here only 0.1763, ત્યાં કરતા રેડિયસ ઘટી ગઈ, એટલે અહીંયા 1s દૂર હોય, અહીં 1s ક્લોઝ હોય, due to 3 protons. Like this we can compare. Now another question. Radius of hydrogen atom in first orbit is 0.529 angstroms. Radius for beryllium plus 3 ion, atomic number 4 in third orbit will be, here atomic number different, orbit number also different, so we have to take this formula, R1 upon R2, 0.529 N1 square upon Z1, 0.529 N2 square upon Z2. Here N is different orbit number, atomic number also different, so 0.529 cut when we divide, so N1 square upon N2 square, here Z2 upon Z1. So this formula we have to use. For hydrogen, atomic number is 1, orbit number 1. For beryllium, for plus 3, atomic number 4, and quantum number, orbit number 3. Radius for hydrogen is 0.529 in first orbit. Radius for beryllium plus 3 in third orbit, we have to define. Here square of N1 square, the square of 1 upon N2 square, square of 3. Here Z2 upon Z1, Z2 for Z1 1. So square of 3 gives 9, 9 into 1 multiply here with 0.529. Radius of beryllium plus 3 comes here, so divide by 4 gives multiply by 4 divide by 4 gives 1.19 angstrom. This is our answer for our question. Now velocity of electron around the nucleus. Velocity of electron we can define Vn 2.18 10 raised to 6 into Z upon N, where Z is atomic number, N is the principal quantum number, means orbit number. For hydrogen atom, Z is 1. Suppose electron is in first orbit, so velocity will be in first orbit for hydrogen atom 2.18 10 raised to 6, Z is 1, N is 1, so 2.16 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. For hydrogen atom, electron is in second orbit, so velocity will be half. Why? Z is 1 but N is 2, so 2.18 divided by 2 gives 1.09. Yes, so velocity is inversely proportional with N and directly proportional with Z. Atomic number increase થાય તો electron velocity increase થાય, but orbit number increase થાય એટલે velocity of electron decrease થાય. એટલે first orbit માં velocity high, second માં એનાથી less, third માં electron velocity એનાથી less હોય છે. Now for He plus ion, suppose electron is lying down in first orbit, so for He plus ion in first orbit velocity will be 2.18 10 raised to 6 into Z upon N. Here Z is 2, orbit number 1. So 2.18 multiplied by 2, So you can see 4.36 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. એટલે હાઇડ્રોજનની ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્બિટમાં ઇલેક્ટ્રોનની સ્પીડ હોય એના કરતાં He પ્લસની ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્બિટમાં ઇલેક્ટ્રોનની સ્પીડ ડબલ હોય છે. Now for lithium we are taking Z3, for beryllium plus 3, all the species having one electron. So we can use this formula and we can compare also. Velocity of electron in first orbit of hydrogen atom is 2.18 10 raised to 6 meter per second. So velocity of electron in helium plus ion of its third orbit will be. So here n is different, z is different. So v1 equal to 2.18 10 raised to 6 z1 upon n1, v2 z2 upon n2. So for comparison v1 upon v2, this will be cut. So n2 upon n1, upon ups upward, upon downward. So z1 upon z2. For hydrogen atom, z1 is 1, atomic number, first orbit n11, velocity is given. For He plus z2 is equal to 2, orbit number 3, and v2 will be. So put down value 2.18 10 raised to 6, v2 we have to define, into 3 n1 1, z1 is 1 and z2 is 2. 2 multiply here, divide by 3 gives v2, v2 અહીં આવે, 3 અહીં આવશે. So 2.18 multiply by 2, 4.36 divide by 3 gives 1.46, 1.45, 10 raised to 6 meter per second. And we can define using this formula. Number of waves per revolution made by electron is 2 pi r upon lambda. એટલે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન રિવોલ્વ્સ અહીંથી અહીં આવશે એટલે એક રેવોલ્યુશન થાય. તેમાં નંબર ઓફ વેવ્સ કેટલા? વેવ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ઇઝ પાર્ટિકલ બટ પથ ઓફ ઇટ ઇઝ અ વેવિકલ. ઇલેક્ટ્રોનનો પથ છે વેવિકલ છે અને આ વન વેવ કહેવાય. our number of waves per revolution how much? હવે લેમ્બડા વેવલેન્થ હોય is equal to 1 wave. તેનો circumferences અહીંથી અહીં સુધીનું ડિસ્ટન્સ કેટલું હોય? આ રેડિયસ છે તો કે 2 pi r જેટલું. the wavelength લેમ્બડા હોય it means 1 wave. સાનો circum એટલે અહીંથી અહીં સુધીનું circumferences 2 pi r. So at 2 pi r distance, at 2 pi r length, how much wave? આટલું ડિસ્ટન્સ હોય વેવલેન્થ જેટલું તો 1 વેવ. તો આમાં 2 pi r અહીંથી અહીં સુધી એક રેવોલ્યુશનમાં 2 pi r એનો circumferences આ ડિસ્ટન્સ હોય તો how much? So 2 pi r into 1 divided by lambda. The number of waves in thase we can prove 2 pi r upon lambda. Here lambda is equal to h upon mv. So h upon mv. Here mv upon moves up. So mvr. mvr means nh upon 2 pi. Bohr's Niels Bohr theory. Angular momentum mvr nh upon 2 pi. So put down value here nh upon 2 pi. So 2 pi h into nh upon 2 pi. 2 pi 2 pi cut, h cut. So it will be number of n waves. Like 2 pi r જેટલું distance હોય, so the number of waves n. Here using this formula, if radius is known, wavelength is given, then we can define the number of waves in the revolution per thought. Radius is changed, then number of waves will be changed in circular per thought. Here path of electron is circular, so we can define on the basis of it. Now, radius of nucleus of the atom. This is radius of the atom. Distance from the nucleus to electron is the radius of atom. But here, formula of the radius of the nucleus, not of the atom. Radius of the nucleus, and this formula is the radius of the atom. આ formula atom ની radius માટે છે, and this formula. Now today you can see this formula is the radius of the atom, and this formula is the radius for the nucleus, and this one for atom. 0.529 angstrom into n square upon z, and first one is Rn is equal to R0 a raised to 1/3. 1/3 means the cube root, where A is the atomic mass. R0 is constant and value is 1.4 into 10 raised to minus 13 centimeter in centimeter. When we divide 1.14 10 raised to minus 13 divide by 100, so 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to 2 moves up, so it will be minus 2, so minus 13 and minus 2 minus 15, so in meter it will be 1.4 10 raised to minus 15 meter, and 1 10 raised to minus 15 meter means Fermi. So 1 Fermi meter equal to 10 raised to minus 15 meter. So instead of 10 raised to minus 15 there should be Fm, Fermi meter, which is very small, like this. And we can define by using this formula. Understood? We can define using this formula. Now, we are in example of it. For hydrogen atom, radius of the nucleus will be, for hydrogen atom, radius of nucleus of the atom. For hydrogen, atomic mass is 1. So Rn equal to R0 a raised to 1/3. When we take in meter 1.4 10 raised to minus 15 in meter, constant. So radius comes in meter. Atomic mass is 1. Atomic number is 1 and mass is also 1. So cube root of 1 is 1. So 1.1 10 raised to minus 15. So 1.4 Fermi meter is the radius of the nucleus of the hydrogen atom. Now, for helium, atomic number 2 but atomic mass 4. So Rn equal to R0 a raised to 1/3 means cube root 1.4 10 raised to minus 15 and cube root of 4. So 1.4 10 raised to minus 15 cube root of 4 value is 1.587 multiply by 1.4 2.22 1.4 multiply by 1.587 gives 2.22. So into 10 raised to minus 15 meter. So 2.22 Fermi meter. Yes, radius of the helium nucleus. This one is the radius of helium nucleus. Understood? Now what about lithium? For lithium atom, atomic number is 3. For lithium, atomic number is 3, atomic mass is 7. So Rn equal to R0 a raised to 1/3 1.4 10 raised to minus 15 cube root so 1.4 10 raised to minus 15 cube root of 7 1.912 exact answer and multiply by 4 1.4 into 1.912 is 2.67 68 10 raised to minus 15. So round off value 2.68 10 raised to minus 15 meter. So 2.68 Fermi meter. Now one question rises in our mind. So how to derive cube root? So we can derive by using our log table. So here for getting cube root of 7. So we have to apply log 7 1 raised to 1/3. 1/3 comes here. So 1/3 into log 7. First we have to check our value of the log 7. 0.8450 is the value of log 7. Point पहला 1 digit 0, then divide by 3. It gives 0.2816. Then after we have to apply antilog there. આપણે log લીધું પછી antilog લેવાનું. Now antilog of it gives 2681. So after one digit there should be pointer. So 2.681. Pointer 1.912, sorry. Yes, this is cube root of 7. હવે આની કેલ્ક્યુલેશન માટે મેં લોગ ટેબલના કેટલાક વિડીયોઝ છે બનાવેલા છે એ હું તમને મોકલીશ એટલે તમને લોગથી કેલ્ક્યુલેશન આવડી જશે. This is cube root of 7 by logarithm. Log 7 1/3 આગળ આવે log 7, so value of log 7.8450 and log માં વેલ્યુ જોવાની હોય તમારે log ટેબલ પરચેસ કરવાનું છે. Divide by 3 એટલે 0.2816 0.28 1 into 6 માં જુઓ 1.912 is our answer. Then multiply by 1.4, so 2.678 gives on the basis we can define now we will meet in our next lecture and log tables na lecture તમને સેન્ડ કરવામાં આવશે. Now till then, bye.